Okay. Now, next step is very important for every module because this is required, especially for material management. Ledgers, global settings, ledgers, parallel valuation. The valuation is required for material valuation. Okay. Basic settings, currency, and valuation profile. Okay. New entries, ST61. ST61. Select details. Now, without this, you cannot create your material master. Okay. And for your understanding, there are three types of valuation in SAP: legal, group, profit center. Legal is basically like balance sheet and profit and loss, where you will mention inventory, opening, closing inventory, and inventory in stock. Okay. That is legal valuation done in your currency, in company code currency. Okay. Group valuation, when there are group of companies, and that requires valuating your material perhaps in a different currency, but from the group level. And in that, inventory exchange between companies is eliminated because exchange between various companies is not actually considered. Okay, it is eliminated. Profit center, what is a profit center? This is your business center where you are conducting, or you can say your sales area can be, not must be, can be your profit center. And this can have its own currency. Okay. Now, so that's why currency and valuation profile is an essential for making a material master. Okay. Let's go back and do some more configuration. Okay, assign currency and valuation profile to controlling area. Because your valuation is primarily supervised and executed under controlling area. Okay, position ST61. Okay, we have not made ST61 controlling area, which is a good thing. So we'll make that also. Again, this is a very important step. Enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. New entries. Controlling area is equal to company code ST61. Data in company code is not maintained. Okay. What is not maintained? Let's see what is missing from the company code. Financial accounting, global settings, field, defined field status variants. This is important and has to be assigned. I'll explain all of this. ST61 is not made. 0001, copy as. Server is very slow right now. In the meantime, ST61 field status for ST61, copy all.
बच्चों को चढ़ाने के लिए ऐसा डिजाइन भी है नहीं डिजाइन से मम्मा मम्मा ये कौन यहाँ पे कौन लिखेगा
Okay, assign company code to field status variants. Let me complete all this, then I will explain the logic of all this. ST61, save. Then I will tell you what is controlling area, what is okay, fiscal year and posting periods. Okay, assign company code to fiscal year variant. This is also I'll explain. ST61, fiscal year variant K4, January, December, save. Oh. Okay. Enterprise structure, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts list, ST61. ST61 is made. Assign company code. ST61. ST61 is assigned. Okay. Define account group. ST61. Okay, this is also made. Great. Retained earnings account ST61. This is also made. Fair enough. Now we can actually proceed for enterprise structure. The first node, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area, maintain controlling area. Controlling area, company code ST61. Okay, now it has picked up. Cross company code, financial statement version INT, save. This will be 30 USD. Okay, group currency. Because controlling area, because of its hierarchy. Currency and valuation profile, XT61. Okay, save. Okay, this is done. Save changes. Now let me explain what I have done. So that the clarity is much more clear. Controlling area, company code, field status variant, currency valuation profile, posting period variant. Okay, let's see what these are. So controlling area basically is about profit center accounting, cost center accounting, product or material costing, profitability analysis, okay, and multiple company codes can be assigned to controlling area if only if chart of accounts plus fiscal year variant is the same. Only then multiple company codes can be assigned. The company codes actually report to a controlling area on the condition of this one, chart of account. Now, what is chart of accounts? Group of accounts, segmentation of accounts. And what is fiscal year variant? Fiscal year variant is fiscal year variant plus posting period. Now, what is fiscal year variant? Now, books, financial books, balance sheet, cash flow, income statement. Okay. All these are made according to a fiscal year. Now, our fiscal year is July to June. Americas, it's January to December. In some countries, it's April to March. Okay. So we actually make it make or synchronize, or we make it a mandate for the company codes to follow one fiscal year. So for example, if multiple company codes have multiple fiscal years, it cannot report to one controlling area. That's why we need uniformity in fiscal year. So it will be either Jan to December or July to June or whatever. Okay. Field status. Now, what is field status? GLs, bank and cash, assets, material, vendors, customers. Okay. Every transaction will have a collection of fields. Okay. Now, what are fields? Like posting date, for example, folio number, purchase order number. Now, these are fields that you will come across in GL. Cash and bank, due date, credit note, LC number, bank name, bank account number, and so on. These are fields that you will see in banking transactions and in cash transactions. Okay, assets, depreciation date, acquisition date, asset registration number, and so on. Okay, we can have many. We can have many in this. We can have many fields in this. So every field will have a control whether I want posting date to be mandatory or hidden or optional, whether I want depreciation date to be optional, required, or hidden. That is basically controlled through field status variant. Same goes for material, same goes for vendor customers. So we have a collection of statuses, field statuses. And what are statuses? Statuses are to make fields either optional, required, hidden, or display. Okay, so I can actually control client's business process using variants also. Okay, now coming back to currency and valuation profile, what it is used for. This is for material valuation. Material valuation can be done in multi-currencies. Okay, and multi-currencies are company code currency, group currency, profit center currency. Okay, so your material can be in another country and it is processed and manufactured in another country. Possible, right? Like leather. Leather is taken from underdeveloped countries and it is sent to Japan for processing to make it more refined product. Yeah, that happens. I mean, iPhone products are made in China but sold in America. So we need to see what kind of material valuation has to be done, and that is important. Okay, I hope that is clear now. Okay, now coming back, global settings, ledgers, parallel valuation, multiple valuation, basis settings, assign currency and profile to controlling area, ST61, It's already assigned because we assign in the controlling area definition. Okay. Maintain description versions for valuation methods. Zero. Now, what are these plan actual version? I'll explain in another session. I'll select this controlling area settings, plan actual, integrated planning, new entries. Yes. LP01. Continue. Okay, this is ready. Now these are just steps that you have to follow when configuring this. Okay. Release. Due to status. Okay, fine. It is finished. PRO. Okay. Financial accounting. Global settings. Ledgers. Valuation. Multiple valuations. Activation. Not activation. Define ledger. ST61. It's not done. Okay. ST61 version 0, ledger 0L. Now, what is this? I'll explain this in the next lecture. Save. Save. So I'll close our lecture today here because this might be a little bit